Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. So today, I hope you are having a fabulous day wherever you are. And we have a package from Paintbynumberday, which is they sell cross stitches and other art project type of things. So definitely go check them out if you have a few minutes, because you're going to love what they have. They have some very unique stuff. And today I have one of those unique things that I'm going to share with you, and I hope you love as much as I do. So let's check out what we got. Now, we got several things in this package, so we're only opening these today, and we'll do the rest in another package. Do you see that already? Yeah, it's lacy and pretty. Now this reminds me of something that my grandmother had made. And this would make a terrific family heirloom if you wanted to pass it down to somebody in your family, which I think is fun and great, and that's probably what I'm going to do myself. So this project is not really a project because they are already a finished product, so you don't really have to worry about fussing with doing the project, cross stitch, how to do it, anything like that. So let's take a look at this. Do you see how pretty that is? This is like a place setting that you would use on a table. And you see it's good quality. It's a little stiff because it hasn't been washed. It's fresh out of the package. And you saw how it was packaged. It come in this little package, so it was nice. Now, one of the packages did kind of have a hole in it, but it didn't damage the cross stitch at all. So this is a finished cross stitch, so you don't have to worry about doing the cross stitch or anything like that. It is lace. It is stitched very, very well, as you can see. The stitching. This is the square one. This was $4, y'all. Absolutely gorgeous for $4. And it is, I'll try to put the dimensions up for you, but it is made of polyester, so it's not like it's going to totally degrade over time. I think it'll hold up pretty well, and it is very, very beautiful. Now, we have a second one. And this one is a round one. And it is pretty much the same pattern. If you look, see the rows, and this one is just a little bit bigger. It's I think 40 centimeters round, and it also was $4 and made of polyester. And you see the stitching, pretty good stitching. The lace is in sections, so you can go back, and if something happens, you can go and fix it. But it is very nice, and the way the lace is, it kind of gives you a ruffle effect. Now, I would say if you're going to wash these in a washing machine, make sure you put it on delicate and do not put it on spin. Do not put it on spin. I repeat, do not put it on spin. I would wash these by hand just because I would not want anything to happen to them. The lace could be easily damaged. I think these would be fabulous for an heirloom. Now, there is also a table runner that is with this, it comes separately. All these pieces come separately, so you can buy as many or as few as you want. The table runner is the same design, but it is long and thin to go down the middle of your table. And that table runner is 15 by 70 inches. That's 15 inches wide and 70 inches long. So it's a pretty good size table runner. and it is also beige. You can get this set in either beige or white, so it's your choice. Beige just happens to go with my decor. I have all wooden furniture, and as you see, it's a dark wood. So I think this would be perfect for it. Anyway, I will put in the description box links to these, and I will try to find a link for the table runner, but all you have to do is where the search is on the main website for Paint by Numbers Day, put in table runner and it will come up, and it'll come up in both white and it will come up in this beige, this beautiful beige color, and you can buy the whole set at one time, or you can just get a piece here and a piece there and a piece there as you can afford it, which is probably what I'm going to do. I really like these. I think they're beautiful. They have beautiful definition, and they do remind me of something my grandmother would have made. So great product, and I thought it was really different and very cool. I've never seen one like this on any of the other cross-stitch companies, so I was really excited for this. Anyway, I will leave the links in the description box along with my discount code so you can save some coins off, because who doesn't love saving money and still getting a beautiful product? So have a great day, and I appreciate you for watching, and we will be back next time with another great video.